Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn everything about constructors in Java. Let's begin. So what is a constructor? A constructor is a special block of code that runs automatically when you create an object in Java. Think of it like the blueprint that sets up your object. Whenever you use the new keyword to create an object, Java calls the constructor. Now, let's understand what makes a constructor special. First, the name of the constructor must be exactly the same as the class name. Second, it does not have a return type, not even void. This is how Java knows that this is a constructor, not a regular method. So why do we use constructors? The main purpose of a constructor is to set initial values to the object's fields. In simple words, it helps us set up the object when it is created. Let's take a real example. Imagine you want to create a student class. This class should store the name, age, and grade of a student. We write a class called student. Inside this class, we declare three variables, name, age, and grade. Now we define a constructor. The constructor also has the name student. It takes three parameters, a string for the name, an integer for the age, and a character for the grade. Inside the constructor, we assign these parameters to the class variables. So the name field gets the value of the parameter n, the age field gets the value of a, and the grade field gets the value of g. Now when we create a new student object, we pass the values. For example, Ravi 20 and grade A, and the constructor will automatically assign these values to the object. Let's now talk about the types of constructors in Java. There are mainly two types, default constructor and parameterized constructor. First, the default constructor. This is a constructor that takes no arguments, it just assigns some default values to the fields. For example, let's take a class called dog. Inside it, we declare a variable called breed. Then we write a default constructor with no parameters. Inside the constructor, we set breed to German Shepherd. Now when we create a new dog object, the breed will already be set to that value, even if we didn't pass anything. It's like creating a phone that comes with default settings. You didn't customize anything, but it's ready to use. Now the second type, parameterized constructor. In this constructor, we pass the values while creating the object. Let's go back to our student example. The constructor takes name, age, and grade as parameters. So when we write new student Ravi 20A, all these values go into the constructor and the object is set up instantly. It's like ordering a pizza with your own toppings. You tell exactly what you want and it's made that way.